What's up, everyone? We are starting the second stream for today. It is part two of stream, and yeah. So let's get to it, right? It's interesting. This one is that's so weird. Yeah. Okay. I mean, the app is not logging in. What do you mean? Talk to Musa. All right, so we're now starting part two of the stream, and yeah, things got resolved with the app. So as you can see, it's working good now, and we can do create regions, hide it, toggle it on and off, and yeah, that's the other thing. So it's pretty good. I think and it's get pushed, so that's good. So we're gonna monetize this app or try to monetize it. Let's see where that takes us. It's all gonna hinge on this project right here, Content King. And luckily we got it to work. Run the server. Okay, download confirm. Okay, so it's where run the server from remove the broken. Okay, why don't we first turn audio, so it's fixed it or what? Remove the broken extractor from both the contents and YT clip import, download support. Huh? I am putting away some chats. All right, so we got this going. Interesting. All right, so let me show you what we were able to achieve. Uh-oh. Okay, thank God. I was like, so as you can see here, we got these, I hope it works. So I'm gonna move these around. And it might look trivial, but as you can see, these things are, the scrubber is smooth, and we're using web codec web codec to power the timeline, and these clips are transitioning nicely. You would see in the past, dark preview, blank preview, all that is gone. And yeah, so that's really cool, right? So that is like very good. Very happy about that. And now I want to kind of go over, yeah, it should be, yeah, these are frames, right? No, oh, I should be able to zoom in even more. That's something to work on. But yeah, essentially, this is exactly where I want things to be in terms of what I see here. And like now we can just take things to the next level. So now what I want to focus on is, yeah, so it's, yeah, you can, yes. So it's gonna fix some of these things. Muscle team is working. Great. Now let me see if it's working actually. Oh, no. Run the server. Okay, so it's gonna run that. And Clawbots is ready. Clawbots is ready, guys. I'm gonna put Speakify away for a second. Clawbots is ready. Setting a shorter timeout. Okay, so let's deploy this app. Yeah, another thing is with subscribe. Okay, I gotta work with my team on this. I might be talking to, git pull latest code. I did that, already up to date. Your local branches current with the remote. Okay. Okay. Just one npx Shopify. Yeah, so so this one we got Mr. Manager is locked in, right? So Um, Now we need to log in with a different account. There should be other people in this. That's maybe our team has gone down because recently we fired a bunch of people for not using the app and for doing, just not working well. So let me see. We got, okay, we got these two. Uh, we gotta remove her. Okay. Zahur is not there. This okay, we gotta change this title. So what were we working on before? Change password. User okay, so settings. Settings. Where is change password? In dashboard, and also we want to know all the members. We want to see a list of members that's not clocked in below the list of members that are clocked in, just so we can easily see who isn't clocked in. Reinstall app on store. So this is something to do with Shopify. Shopify app. What do we do? What was the novel build? We don't even have the app installed in the first place. So we gotta go into the app distribution, open it up. We're installing it on mobile. There's definitely an opportunity here. Like it's so annoying to spin up a Shopify app. It's actually crazy. I have a call actually. What time do I have my call? Anyways, let me see what time my call is. I think it's at 6:30. Yeah, it's at 6:30 Morocco. So it's 6:30 Morocco time. So in about 1 hour 45 minutes. Um. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it's gonna make some changes there. Content King only commit and push. No, let me test first. Um, so what does it do? Run it. Okay, it's gonna restart. Oh, okay, so I gotta go to dashboard settings. Change the password here. All right, so restart. Go ahead and do it. Clawbots. Oh, no GitHub repo. Damn. No to deploy via cool file we need. Okay. Create a repo and git push. Call it. What do we call this repo? What do we call this repo? Clawbots. Noble. All right, so that is good. Um, so when people, when there's AI, okay, so we got AI insights. I do want to see those insights. AI insights. Okay, Hazan is not. Oh, it's probably on lunch break. Okay, so now we see what's going on. Oh shit, wrong person. Yeah, so we can see some people are not clocked in, so we gotta get rid of those. Not get rid, remind them. Just two people, three people. One of them is probably on break. Not sure why. So I'm getting complaints that the app clocks people out. Muscle team getting complaints that app clocks people out randomly. Can you analyze the code base and tell me all the situations where the app clocks people out? Could be for internet issues and all that. Just want to know all the reasons and we can try to figure things out. Okay, so these are the reasons: power loss, disconnect, app quit, admin force clock out, web socket disconnect. Can they, if they quit app and if internet goes down and they get clocked out and and we turn off the clock out when internet goes down and then the internet comes back so they're still clocked in, will it still take screenshots once the internet is back? Start heartbeat, yeah, when internet comes back, restarts the screenshot. Okay, so if you need to relax power loss, disconnect, WebSocket disconnect. For 1, 3, and 4, for 1, 3, and 4, we wanna, can we get the reason why people keeps getting clocked out in the admin dashboard somewhere, in the admin manager dashboard somewhere, so we can see a table of clock in, clock out of everyone and the reason why they got clocked out. disconnects. How does these disconnects happen? Shift history section to the admin dashboard or create a dedicated page. Let me put it on a new tab on the team page or dedicated route. Actually, the quickest and impactful approach is to add it to the existing dashboard admin page where let's see, team shifts page. Okay, let me go ahead. It's gonna create that. So we got Content King. Go ahead and do it. So we got Clawbots getting deployed, and that's gonna okay. So Clawbots is getting deployed, and then it's just a matter of creating situations that are beneficial to people that's going to use this Clawbots repo created and pushed. Okay, Clawbots. Okay. So now I need to get some ads. I need to think about all the situations where this app can be, how we can use OpenClaw. So now I need to spin up Claude AI and get that baby going, right? Give me the 10 most impactful way OpenClaw can be used and scenarios that I can use for UGC marketing that will go viral for TikTok, Instagram, organic marketing. Also, so it needs to be a mix of impactful uses as well as virality. All right, let's see what this bad boy is saying now. Did it already? Okay, clients, Clawbots, private, how to deploy. You already have API token, I believe, right? Content King app is running. Okay, it's running. Content Studio, gonna give it a YouTube video and then see how that works. View your channel. Let me see. Load. Holy cow. No, that's from yesterday. I want to know because I need it right away. I need the stuff right away. So go to the channel, live part 1. Okay, let me also talk to Claude. In Content Studio, if I enter a URL, it doesn't give me a chance to enter beginning and ending input and output regions that I want to take out of that video. Vertical video, remix AI, yeah, this one, what's going on? Select a video, oh, okay. So the server is messed up here. I think it's messed up. I sent some videos to my Telegram, it should be coming here, it's not. So I need to look into that. you want your before fetching. Currently, it just takes the URL and fetches it. Should I add start? Yeah, like 2 text fields next to the URL inputs. So you can yeah. So ideally, I wanna see it in an iframe and in a video player where I can choose I and Ideally, it'd be good to see it in the timeline editor. It's a little bit asking for too much, I think. Ideally, it'd be good to see it Ideally, it'd be good to see it in I don't know how do I go about this. Yeah, ideally it'd be something. I think we have. Let me see something here. Where is this? I think we got rid of that feature accidentally. Oh yeah, right here, spreadsheet. Okay. That is crazy. Yeah, so right here we have these. See what I'm saying? Crazy, 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 crazy. So anyway, so we want to be able to use in spreadsheet tab, we have the ability to choose an region. Maybe we can create a YouTube iframe or a video player that takes the video with our own custom controls. Reuse the controls from spreadsheet tab. Embed the YouTube in the player, let the user watch visually, then fetch only that region's transcript. Yeah, let me look at the transcript, the spreadsheet tabs IO controls first. That's crazy. Let me see what this guy is working on. Actually, I can just check. Hassan. All right, so just had to assign one of my devs a task. So that is good. Okay, the current flow is paste URL, fetch entire script. We want paste URL, show YouTube player, set IO, fetch transcript for that range. We can also do full video if we want. If we don't enter range, I guess. Clubhouse now to deploy via Coolify. Okay, I need to create an app there. So Coolify, deployment, we can't share any of that right now. We just can't share all these things we're doing and expose things. So I gotta take that away. I believe Muscle Team has the API token for Coolify. So we're gonna get that going right now. Muscle Team, Coolify. So we got that and shift history section. Okay, so this guy is good. Close the end file. So okay, so we got this shift history. Where is that? Let's check it out. Run the app. I don't think it's running. It's not running anymore. We also check something out. What's the git source for these projects? Muscle client, muscle team. Uh-huh. Okay, let me add this project in there. What is this project called? Clawbots. Save. All right, so muscle team is, let me test that feature now. Local host. How to test. Team employee department, active. Okay, where is that? Shift team. Where is that? How to test. Go to admin. And we'll scroll down. Shift history. Okay. I mean, I think it should be in dashboard because admin, I don't really visit it. There's no way to see this page or access it from UI. All right, so Muscle Team is doing this thing. Clawbots is deploying. Content King, right? Default is full video. IO is optional. Build it. Yeah. Did you make an MD file on how to use Coolify? Yeah, March. All right, I'm just dealing with deployment of Clawbots and getting muscle team to help out Clawbots agent. Got it. Let me use the correct approach. Okay. If you need further help, just let me know what to tell the other agent. I think it got in now. It might be on a different port. Okay, let's see if it's working. This one, start app. Not clocked in, done, added below, clocked in members, What's up, everyone? So today is day 21 of live streaming. Where he's idle. These images are exactly the same. Exactly. If I was to so stuff. Um, I chose in and out point. What happens next? And I don't want to see two seekers. And once I selected, how do I click done or something? Next point. Reload the and test. Now you should see compact video player. Um, Mm, I think another thing is like I want to see the AI insights. I want to see every employee's AI insights for the last 1 hour summarized in the current task column. In the last I don't know, last 1 hour summarized. So the summary should be like what happened last 5 minutes, what happened last last 5 to 15 minutes, what happened to 30 minutes, happened 30 to 60 minutes, 15 to 45 minutes, let's say. 45 to 60 minutes. Let me show you guys this. Not overriding the past 5 minutes work. So think of it like what happened last 5 minutes, then before 5 minutes to 15 minutes ago, then before 15 minutes to 45 minutes ago, then before 45 minutes to 60 minutes ago. I want to see this in the current task column of team activity table in dashboard. And if I hover on each current task of each employee, then I should see their entire AI insights for their entire shift that day. Yeah, okay, go ahead and understand it's already done. Probably just need to update the llama prompt. All right, so this is a signal. Okay, so it's gonna go ahead and do that. Compact video player, no YouTube controls, scrubber. Okay, let me see what's going on now. Content Studio. I also wanna. What's up, everyone? So today is day 21 of live streaming, and we're gonna. This is what I see. I think we need a more full width situation here when embedding the video. Then you can switch to this layout, or you have other ideas. And we can get it. I see the video is showing your live stream behind the app. Here's my idea. Two-phase layout. Phase 1, video preview. After pasting URL, full with video player with controls. The URL bar stays at top. No sidebar cramping. Phase 2, transcript. After load transcript switches to the current split. Current board on the right. This is similar to how YouTube Studio Clip. Yeah, do it. Okay, so now what we can do, we can actually spin up multiple agents and work on this. I think we can do like more and do Content King. Oh, there's only one. Okay. Okay. So we need to go to, okay, let's do this. Let's go here, Claude, go to coding and make a new, and git pull Content King code into a new folder called Content King 1, and this will be the parent folder for all the things you pull from Git. The query doesn't exist. What do you mean it doesn't exist? Look for it, we have it somewhere in this computer. Okay, bro, let me just help this guy out. Coding. Okay, I can see there's already Content King folder. I need to go into a new folder. What's the get find it, dumbass. Okay, there we go. Fetch, push, done, Content King. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna open this. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Close this. Okay. Claude. Go to the right. We wanna work on, okay, let me actually now get push. Okay, so let me see if this phase 1 clean, reload and test the flow should now be, okay, let me test it out. Content Studio. What's the YouTube URL it gave me? Okay, now let me put this in. Ooh. Okay.
What's up,
Hey, hey. What are you doing? I entered this in the Content Studio and then I see the full video player, but then when I click play on the video, it starts loading full transcript and going to the second phase.
What's up, everyone? Militia and the videos. I see. So
The load button, the URL is auto triggering when you paste the URL. This the fixed. Okay, what's going on now? I don't know. All right, so we'll let it do its thing. There we go. It got in. Clawbot's got in. It's gonna deploy the URL. Okay, let's go ahead and fix that. I do wanna. Okay. Muscle team, where we at? AI activity summary column replaces the current task in the team activity dashboard. Okay, let me see. Hover tooltip, let's see how that looks. AI activity summary. I don't see anything. Summary is there. So what? That means the API annoyance, but why should regardless? Exactly. So the issue the API might not be returning data exactly. There we go. Can't test it. Okay. Okay, so let's see now. So it's good. There's no activity, bro. What do you mean? What's going on with you? Let's see. Why can't we infer his work? Some UI issue. All right, the time range will render. Da, 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 okay. Um, okay, great. So, okay, so that's good. We got this remote desktop session. The info I'm reading is not detailed enough. How can we get more details of the of the screenshot analysis? Don't start rereading screenshots. I'm just wondering how that architecture works. All right, people are on break, but yeah, basically you can see what's going on, right? Full shift analysis. It's crazy. Window title, the vision only triggered if phase one is ambiguous. How much does it cost to do vision? Let's see what's going on here with Content King. Okay, that link is still pastable. Bro.
Look into it further and storing it as a p hash and then comparing it uh, to calculate the colors of these images and storing it as a p hash like that. You can little blocks. So he didn't work 7 hours on his shift, right? So and then you can actually pull up all the item blocks here, right? So you don't know, but I ignored those. But yeah, you can see. Let me see if I can load these images there might be some issue, right? And it's using a p-hash algorithm, uh, kind of creating value for the company.
All right, let's take this 1 minute. Bro. I chose to 2 minute of and clicked load green button and it brought me to phase 2, but ideally I want to see real-time progress of what's happening, like downloading, like clipping that region, that section of the video, then converting to MP3 or whatever else is happening all the way until transcribing. Has transcript to switch layouts as soon as fires is set, and it switches to phase 2 immediately. But I don't see it. In phase 2, I don't see any transcript loaded. It's been like 3 to 5 minutes now. Does use whispered. Did it even get to whisper stuff? Exactly. Deploy application. The app exists unhealthy. The deploy endpoint might need a different path. Let me check. Coolify API docs. Deployment queued. Let me monitor it. Paste what you see in the console. And to see if the transcript fetch is stuck, erroring. Okay, paste what you see. Okay, okay. So let me do this. Let me just take
something, but you'll see that these images are exactly, the patient is actually all the idle blocks here.
View. Oh, okay. Downloading captions.
What's up, everyone? So where the we left
No.
more 3 minutes more than
Okay, so it's working now, but yeah, it's not a good UI view. So we need to improve this. How do I get to those phase 2 views of already imported YouTube videos? Are these being saved in DB somewhere? All right, so we'll be streaming for another half an hour before I got that call. Phase 2 should now just show Okay, let's fix that up. What's going on here? Now add all. Okay, it's adding all the environment variables. It's free on the free tier with rate limits. Very cheap on paid. Free tier, 30 requests per minute, 14,000 per day, 11 cents per 1 million. Input total 30% per one. Output one is roughly 1,500. So that's about, with 5 employees doing screenshot every 5 minutes. It's like 9 cents, 10 cents a day. Actually, that's not really what we're trying to do. I think we want to take more than that. It's more like 15 employees taking, let's say, 3 minutes, one screenshot every 2 to 3 minutes. 15, 25 screenshots per hour, $16 a month. The free tier limit is so 3,000 fits within it. $30 requests per minute. So what do you mean vision for all apps? Short apps. What? Shouldn't it be how does it know what screenshot has what app? These come from the OS level window focus API. Okay, when a screenshot is taken. Okay, sounds good. They knows what to do. No from, no from. Yeah, so we need to do analysis of every screenshot, regardless of the app being in the screenshot. Content King. Yeah, sessions are saved locally. When you load a transcript, auto saves via constant. When you pay the same amount again, it restores the save cards, but there's no UI to browse previously saved sessions. You need to pay the same. Yeah, we want to know what we captured previously and even open those. Sorry, I accidentally messaged you. Ignore my previous message. It's already a content list session channel. Let me check if the handler exists. Okay, we need to look at this. Needs vision true always. Every screenshot now gets, okay, prompts updated. both tests. Are we saving these contents in the DB? What table column? Okay. Now, yes, the AI should save an air task inference table and for descriptions. That's for the short 8 nah, and where the what should we do if we want um, if we want longer descriptions per screenshot, so you have more ability to connect them to client work, in-house work. What do you mean part group screenshots, same app window? How is the grouping done? Short answer. I think I'm gonna just stop the stream, or should I pause? Do you want to take a bit of a break? 17 minutes. Executive activity snapshots with the active app name. Alright guys, I want to take a break and then do the sales call. Maybe I'll start streaming again in an hour or so. But very good day for vibe coding. We got a lot of stuff done and a lot of accomplishments have been made. So very good. Very happy with today's progress. And we'll reconnect soon. All right. Peace.